the giant panda. This 4-month-old cub has a lot to learn. Escaping her mother's attention isn't always easy, but pandas spend virtually all their waking hours feeding on bamboo. So her cub is left free to explore. Several older ones seem to have mastered the skills of climbing in the treetops. And the younger one is determined not to be left behind. The first stage is to get a good grip. Nobody likes parental interference. That is a whole 20 centimeters off the ground. It's tiring work. And time for a cuddle with Mum.